My name is Michael, and I am here to introduce you to the Uroshock PX3, the world's first handheld cordless acoustic wave device you will come across is the sleek carrying case. We made the Uroshock small enough to easily allow you to bring it on the road with you so that you can continue your treatments wherever you go. Every Uroshock comes with detailed instructions. The charging block connects to the bottom of the device using the premium fast charging cord. Initially, the light on the bottom is red. Once the device is fully charged, the light turns green. Don't use your Uroshock until it is fully charged. To activate the device, simply press the power button. Initially, just one light will appear. This corresponds to the lowest frequency. Each time you depress the button, an additional light will appear. The higher frequency is associated with more sound. At maximum frequency, all 4 lights will be activated. Your Uroshock PX3 comes with 2 different tips. To change the tip, grasp the tip tightly and turn the device in a clockwise rotation. And to tighten the tip, turn the tip in a counterclockwise direction. The gold tip, which is made of titanium, facilitates maximum transfer of energy. Always use a water-based lubricant when treating with the PX3. The lubricant helps couple the tip to the skin of the penis, which facilitates passage of energy and reduces friction. We engineered Uroslide to facilitate this process, and additional supplies can be ordered on our website. Start your penile rehabilitation program with 6-minute sessions twice per week. Apply firm pressure and keep the tip moving up and down the shaft of the penis. Never treat the glans penis, also known as the head, and never treat the bottom third of the penis to avoid injuring the urethra. And never place the device inside the urethral meatus or any other body cavity. Gradually increase the frequency and also the time of each procedure. The maximum treatment period is twice per week and 20-minute sessions. Uroshock wants to make sure that every customer has a great result, and for that reason, we offer unmatched customer service. Never hesitate to call or write during normal office hours 7 days per week.